Hi, and welcome to my website. Here I've created a website that has web tools in elementary education. I decided to explore how we can connect globally with students through multiple subjects in elementary school: English language arts, math, science, and social studies. So as you go onto my website, you can scroll down, and I have a blog here that you can click on and check out. This is everything with technology and exploring global topics that you can with your students. And down here is my PLN on Twitter, where I talk about different tools that you can use in education as well. Feel free to explore that. I'll start with my first page, which is English and Language Arts. Now here, I talk about how there's different reading language arts tools that we used to use, and we still use today, including shared reading and guided reading. Now, although these are effective, I have included some more recent tools that we can use with students that are more technology-based. We have Read2Go, which is an app that students can use to read different books with different technology, iPads, computers, phones, things like that. I have a short video here that you can watch to learn about the app. Quill is another interactive app that students can use to enhance their grammar and writing skills. So here you can help teach students how to write. And once again, it's in technology that you can use on different types of platforms like an iPad or computer and so forth. It just makes writing more interactive and fun for students. For math, we have different tools here that I like to use. I've used Gimkit while working with students previously in math, and I found it to be very effective. The students can compete against one another and answer different questions that you create as the teacher. They earn money for every question they get right, and it's more of a competition than anything to see who can answer the most questions correctly and the fastest. This here is Moose Math, which is more for younger students, pre-K to first grade. It helps with adding, counting, subtraction, and shapes. And I included 2 videos here to show more of tutorials of how to use both of these apps. Instead of learning from typical textbooks and workbooks, I think that these tools make learning more interactive and fun through technology for students today. For science, I've included some tools here that I thought would be effective in the elementary classroom. Climate Kids is created by NASA to help students learn about climate change, which is a global issue that we would like students to learn about. I included a few different pictures here that students can click on the actual website to navigate through different topics. And here is a sample video that they provide for students to learn about weather and climate change. Another cool app is the National Geographic Kids. It's a website that students can explore to learn about a bunch of different topics, geography, animals, and more. I included a snapshot here of just some of the videos that students can click on to learn about many different topics in society today and through science. For social studies, I explore a few different web tools. This is World Atlas, which is a website that students can use to explore the world map. And there's different articles when you click on different places. So this is what the map looks like when you get to the website, and it's interactive and you can click on any part of the world. And you can learn about economics, politics, travel, culture, many different topics, and I include the link here to the site that you can explore it. World Book, This Day in History, is more of history as opposed to social studies. And this is an app where students can explore any event that happened in the world just by clicking on that specific day. I thought this would be fun to incorporate in school. The teacher can load up whatever the day is and explain what happened in that day in previous history. This is a demonstration of the app video that you can look at. My last page is Becoming a Global Classroom. So I would like for students to learn about the Sustainable Development Goals, and I included those goals here and provided a video that explains to what the 17 Sustainable Development Goals are and how we can use these development goals to become a more worldwide classroom. We can use Skype in the classroom. So I think this is a great way for students to be able to, for teachers to change their classroom into a global adventure for students. You can have guest speakers, virtual field trips, collaborative projects, and special events. And here you can click on the Skype page to learn everything about it that the website offers. And this here is a video of 2 classes connecting over Skype in New Zealand and California, which is a great way for students to learn about other places in the world. And to conclude on my website, I just have my references page here, where you can go on and click on any of the links to take you to the various apps and websites that I provided in the website. So thank you.